The house was silent, but the tension was deafening. I had returned home late from a long, exhausting journey, expecting rest, but instead, I walked into a storm. Words had been exchanged, hearts had hardened, and the quiet between us felt heavier than any argument before. I wondered, could this night end without breaking us? As I reached for my rosary, dread knotted my chest. Tonight, the familiar prayers felt impossible. Something inside me whispered that this night would be different, that I was about to encounter a force beyond anything I had ever seen. After returning home late one night from a long and exhausting journey, an unexpected tension arose between me and my husband, Daniel. Ours had always been a peaceful marriage, one where disagreements were rare and quickly resolved. But that night was different. Words were exchanged, emotions stirred, and silence settled between us like a heavy cloud. For hours, we did not speak. Yet one thing remained unchanged, our nightly devotion. No matter how tired, no matter where we were, and no matter what we felt, we had always prayed the rosary together before bed. That night, however, the thought of standing beside him in silence while praying felt deeply unsettling. My heart was restless. As we prepared to begin, I felt compelled to speak, hoping to ease the tension within me. In a moment of vulnerability, I said, "Next time I'm upset, please don't contradict me." I waited for a response, but none came. He simply began the rosary. That silence pierced deeper than any argument. Overcome with emotion, I left the room and went into another. Sitting alone in the darkness, I clutched my rosary and began to pray. But my thoughts were scattered. Distraction overwhelmed me. It felt as though a spiritual battle was taking place within, each bead harder to grasp, each prayer harder to focus on. Still, I pressed on, determined to finish. When I finally completed the rosary, the heaviness in my heart remained. Pride held me back from returning. Confusion and sorrow filled my spirit. So I knelt again, this time in deeper surrender, and cried out to God, "Lord, show me what to do. Calm this storm within me." In that quiet moment, I remembered Saint Michael the Archangel, the defender, the warrior of heaven. With tears falling freely, I spoke to him as one speaks to a trusted friend. I pleaded for his help, for his guidance, for his protection against the turmoil I could not overcome alone. Then, something extraordinary happened. In the stillness of that dark room, I saw a figure, a silhouette, yet unmistakably clear. A warrior stood before me, strong and majestic, with wings spread wide and a sword in hand. My heart raced, yet I felt no fear, only awe and peace. I knew it was Saint Michael. In the silence, his voice echoed within my soul, not heard with ears, but deeply understood in my spirit. Return quietly. Lie beside your husband. Rest in peace. Without hesitation, I obeyed. I returned to the room, lay beside Daniel, and felt an overwhelming sense of calm wash over me. As I watched him sleeping peacefully, a gentle realization filled my heart. This man loves me deeply. And with that thought, I too fell into a peaceful sleep. Morning came with light, not just of the sun, but of renewed love. There stood Daniel, arms open, ready to embrace me. No words were needed, only love, forgiveness, and grace. In that moment, I knew with certainty, heaven had intervened. With a grateful heart, I whispered within. "Thank you, Saint Michael." From that day forward, my faith grew stronger. I realized that even in moments of conflict, God's peace is never far. His angels are near, watching, guiding, protecting. And now I know, no matter the storm, heaven is always ready to restore peace to a willing heart.
Pause. Be still in the presence of God. Let every worry fade and prepare your heart for prayer. O mighty Saint Michael, the Archangel, stand with us in the battles we cannot see. Be our shield against every darkness, our protector against the snares and deceit of the enemy. By the authority of Almighty God, rebuke every force that rises against our souls. O Prince of the heavenly hosts, cast far away all evil and drive back every spirit that seeks to destroy peace, faith, and truth. Glorious defender, guardian of souls, faithful servant of the divine King, you who shine with heavenly strength and purity, come to our aid. Surround us with your protection and lead us safely in the path of righteousness. Deliver us from fear, from pride, from anger, and from all that separates us from God. Help us to walk daily in obedience, to love more deeply, and to serve God with unwavering faith.